Hello my friends, welcome back to One-Footed Phoenix. Doctor said, so there is a nerve that comes kind of like right by the tibia, okay? And I think it's called the saphenous nerve. And that nerve is being pinched against my tibia, which is why it's been incredibly painful to be wearing my prosthetic much at all, because that nerve's getting pinched. And it also explains like all of the sensitivity issues I've had and like pretty much all of the issues I've had with compression too. So I have scheduled the procedure to have the doctor clip back the nerve and take care of the neuroma for a couple of weeks out. Before that, I'm going to be doing a ketamine treatment and also some sort of like nerve block injection. I don't remember what it was called, so I'd tell you if I remembered, but I don't. Oh yeah, I got all of that crazy news this week, and then like it's just been nuts because I've been helping my boyfriend move too, and so I've been over at his place like a little bit. I mean, obviously I would like put my leg up and ice it and stuff while I was at his house, but he would just hand me things, and I was like helping him organize and stuff a couple nights this week, and so yeah, I just didn't have a chance to sit down and record this segment until now. I literally just need to rant for a second because I just got done at the driver's license division, and so they sent me a letter about having to take the driver's test again, right? And I did not want to have to take the driver's test again, so I went to my doctor and I took the medical form in, and I'm like, I'm a left side amputee, there's no reason that they should be like giving me crap over this, and have them sign the letter. I had no idea that it was the rule in Utah that you have to take the driver's test again, even if you're only missing your left foot, which is freaking dumb. And I just really wanted to rant about that because I'm like, there's no reason for me to have to take the dumb driver's test again if I can drive perfectly fine and perfectly safe the exact same way I've been doing for the last like 4 years, because you know, I kind of had a foot that didn't work very well for 4 years. That was great. I have not yet told you guys what happened when I actually went to the driver's license division to try and take the driver's test this week. So I get there and I walk in and they're like, you have to take a written exam before you can take the driver's test. And I was just like, why on earth do I have to do that? Like it kind of made me feel stupid, to be honest, because I'm like, taking the written test has absolutely nothing to do with the fact that I lost my leg. And honestly, I didn't feel like it had much to do with the fact that like I'm trying to prove that I can drive safely. I'm not really sure why they're trying to retest me like 6 months after the amputation. It just doesn't make sense. I mean, like they're like, well, your amputation's a new condition, so like you need to prove that you can drive safely. But I'm like, why can't I do that with a doctor's note? Like, come on. I don't know who made these laws, but they're dumb and I don't like them. So whoever made them, please stop it. Because honestly, like, being forced to take the written exam when I didn't even know that I had to, that sucked. That sucked a lot, and that just felt rude and mean, and like people were trying to be a pain in the butt because I'm an amputee. Oh, and by the way, I still haven't taken my driver's test yet, because it took me 2 times to even pass the written exam, which was open book, but it was hard to find all the answers in the book because it's like a big thick book of just road rules and stuff. And I have to go back next week and take the driver's test. Oh, and you know what they did? They took my actual like plastic license card and they gave me like a paper one, and they're like, you have to drive with someone in the car until you can pass the driver's test. And I was just like, seriously? Really? Because I've been driving for like 6 months just fine with my right foot. I don't understand what all this rigmarole is about, but it's dumb.
Here lately, I've really been enjoying bird watching, and it was pretty funny when I took all these photos because I was wiggling around on the ground literally like a flappy fish. It was great. But I got some great pictures of the birds, and honestly some of the most up-close pictures of the birds I've ever gotten, and I'm very happy about that. So I wanted to put them in the end of the video to show y'all. Also, if you want to see my art stuff, you can go check out my Deviant art profile. There's a bunch of cool stuff on there, like drawings and just like random coloring pages, and also just random Dungeons and Dragons characters because, you know, why not? I'm an artist, it's what I do, and art keeps me sane from all the pain I've been experiencing lately. Some of my warrior princess drawings are also just like really awesome, and I wanted to show them to you guys. The weather's been great this week, and so I was like, I gotta throw in my pictures for y'all.
If you would like to subscribe to my channel and get all the juicy notifications on new videos, click the Phoenix button to subscribe. If you would like to see the video that YouTube recommends for you, click over here. Thanks everyone! See you next week!